Well, welcome back, guys. So on this episode, I'm gonna replace this with a new one. So these things are held here by these little bolts. Ooh. This one doesn't have the bolt, so it goes off. And here we have the little electrical. You can see here. There we go. Now I'm gonna recycle the light bulb because I put it there. These clips go out. Also good to recycle these, just in case one of them breaks or something. I think you can hold them down and then just push them out. Let me see if I can do this with two hands. There we go. Perfect. And now the new one. It already comes with a light bulb in it, and it doesn't come out this way, it comes out the other way. If you can see, it's not gonna pop out. Let me put it back in. This goes here. Goes in here like this, or is it? No, it's like that. I think that should hold. And then this part, I don't know if it just goes in like that, or if I have to loosen this up. Oh, these fall off if you unscrew them. Right now, I'm gonna put it in here. There we go. The other one's the same. So let me just put it in here now. Perfect. I think I have it in the correct orientation. Let's see here. Corner curve. So the letters are on the bottom. Let me see here. And this part goes in here. And this one goes down here. It looks a little bit bent